And we're ready. Yeah. We're going to have an awesome game of pool. Ready? Why is this in the tree?
This is my stick.
No, this is my stick?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm going to go first.
Okay. Let's see how you do.
Dang it.
I knew
Yeah,
you'd
I
like
suck.
to fail that one.
Okay. Who cares if you do solid? Oh, your stripes? Okay, I guess that means I'm solids.
Here go again.
You hit it again? Come on. You were sucking last round. No offense.
It's because I made the 8 ball twice because of that last one.
Who cares?
I'll try to make it. And that's it.
Alright. Here we go. Gotta get Solido.
I made nothing.
Come on, get in there. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, the wonderfulness. Diamond right here. Behind the two dotted lines. Oh, by the way, I just learned how to play pool today. Yeah. So,
Don't judge him.
don't judge me. You could judge me for my amazingness, but not for my suckiness.
Sure.
Yay! Yeah! 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 Come on, come on. Oh, dang it. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. I guess we're gonna have to do it like this.
Or not like that.
Nothing ever works for me. No, it almost went into that one. Oh, yes, wait. Yeah, this is good. This is
I'm trying to
real. Nah, I swear if that thing goes in. Oh my gosh.
I can't make that. It's too long. I'm going to turn the ball closer over there.
You know, you actually could have went right here and went wee,
I don't care.
but you didn't.
I don't care. At least my 15 is blocking
Shut up.
too.
Oh jeez. Oh crap. You lose. No. This YouTube video needs to be longer. Yeah, that never happened.
You lose if you make the 8 ball.
We're just to make this video longer, we're gonna make sure that the 8 ball doesn't go in there until the end. So if we ever make the 8 ball, then we're just gonna keep going. I'm sorry that it's not legit, but we don't want to keep redoing it
We wanna
over
make
and
it
over again.
longer.
Ever. Yeah, we want to make the video more interesting.
I'm not going to do it.
Okay, but seriously, next time the 8 ball goes in, we're gonna do it. It's just so early in the game, it's not fair. But say it's later in the game when it gets more crazy, when there's less balls.
But that's
Maybe
not how you
if
play
somebody.
pool.
Who
But
cares?
I'm just telling you. That's not how you play pool. We're just saying. We just want to make it work.
We just want to make it longer. So if anybody's trying to learn how to play pool, don't try to learn from us.
Learn from me, not him. He's a beginner.
I'm the best beginner. I just started like 20 minutes ago.
You know, you're very sharp. My friend started.
No! The strike went in. No! This is horrible mutiny. You hit my ball.
So what?
So I can do this.
Wah!
I hate pool.
Yeah, sure. Don't worry, once you get more into it.
We'll probably put this video into like maybe 3 parts. Just so you know. This is going to be a long day. A long game. Wait, is it my turn?
Yes.
Okay. Just so you know, we're going to make the videos one by one, so after part 1, it'll be part 2 within the next 5 minutes. bounce a little.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
That's called,
It bounced.
that's called jabbing.
That's funny.
No, it's called jabbing.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
You're lying.
No,
You've
go
always
under-
lied.
No, because you go under the ball.
It went into
it
the
scratches
hole.
the felt.
Okay, now I can put whatever I want. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here.
Yay.
If you want to watch a sucky game of pool, then you might as well keep watching the video. Huh.
Well, not so sucking for me, but
Really? Really?
yeah.
Family friendly. Ah, stupid 13. I'm sorry, YouTube, if you don't like this.
Ah, you stupid 6. And now you trapped me between them.
Oh no! Here, I'm just gonna check the camera real quick. Is it okay? Is it doing fine here? Sorry, I'll just adjust this a little bit. Okay. We're gonna end part 1 pretty soon. I know you guys love us all, but yeah, you just can't have enough of us, can you? By the way, enough of us, I mean me.
And me.
And we are done with part 1. Yeah.